Hi, I'm Dean, I'm 34, I'm from London. I work in the film industry and I've got a barbershop in London. So I decided to come out to Turkey for my hair transplant because it's considerably cheaper than the UK and it's actually better than the UK. They're miles ahead here in terms of their surgery and techniques. I know a few people that have done it and they've had amazing results.
As we use a sapphire percutaneous technique, scar recovery is much shorter than normal methods. In other words, in short periods such as a week, all the scabs are healed and return to their original appearance. In 2 months' time, almost all transported hair follicles are shed. The hair starts to grow in the 3rd month. We expect noticeable change after 6 months. The final result usually takes 1 year.
The hospital itself is absolutely beautiful. It's completely 5-star. It's nicer than some of the hotels I've stayed in. Just got this ambience of just being really high end. It's absolutely incredible. I would recommend Memorial to everybody that I know. I think I'll be sending people here when I get back who want some bits and pieces done as well. So it really is. I'm very hard to impress, and this place has impressed me no end. So I just want to say a massive thank you to Memorial Hospital. They've done an absolutely amazing job. I'm very happy with what's happened so far, so thank you.
Memorial, because your health is precious.